Harishanpur School. Respected all the members of the Ladies Wing of Andhra Association. Dear students from various schools that have come over here. Respected teachers of Shri Balaji Vidya Mandir. Andhra Association Raipur, as we had told you on 24th and 25th of November, we organized an inter-school singing and dance competition. Andhra Association is an association that has completed its golden jubilee year in the year 1923. And for 40 years, this Shri Balaji Vidya Mandir is catering quality education to the Raipurians, where very few schools were, English medium schools were there in Raipur city. It's a purely an English medium school, stressing a lot on value education, stressing a lot on communication skill, excelling the students academically. At the same time, we believe in the overall development of the students. Shri Balaji Vidya Mandir Andhra Association is running a sports academy, training the students for basketball, fencing, judo, boxing for the girls, and we have got national and international acclaimed students with us. The music choir headed by Mr. Rajat is doing very well, a renowned music teacher of the city, a known person, Mr. Ramesh Singh Thakur looking after the sports academy, very qualified teachers. And this was the reason why we had given a platform to other students conducting an inter-school singing and dance competition, where 16 renowned schools of the Raipur city participated, and we are very happy and extremely thankful to all the principals, teachers and the students participate from various schools that they came here and they performed and exhibited their excellent dancing and singing skill. We had our renowned judges with us, who themselves are laurels in their different fields, and the befitting judges, they had given judgment. Dear students, we are sorry but we are a little late.